beauties, it's me, Alegra. I thought I would just do my base with you guys today. I have been going crazy on Amazon, just finding the most random, well for me they're just random. I've never have heard of this product before. This is called the Bourjois Healthy Mix Serum. So I'm really excited to try this. It got amazing reviews, so I just love going on Amazon and just going through and finding, you know, something, you know, different beauty products that people are going crazy for. So I figured I would give this a try today and see if it's really as good as everybody says. It is a gel foundation, which it says it provides 16 hours of radiance boosting, even revived complexion. So it sounds amazing and I'm so excited to try it. So I love gel products. So first of all, that sounds amazing. And it does say it's infused with vitamins and minerals for a more radiant complexion. So of course I love that. And who wouldn't, right? So it says it's vitamin enriched for fruit therapy. That's something new. Okay. So I already primed my face. I did put on today the Benefit Professional. So I'm just going to take some of this product now on the back of my hand. I did get the shade, I'm not really sure, it doesn't say here, but I'll have it linked below. The shade that I purchased, I think it's soft beige. So it is made in France. So I guess this is a French makeup company and beauty line. I've seen them before, but I've just never tried it. I've never tried anything from them. Like I said, I did have to order this on Amazon, so I don't think this is available in the drugstore. It is hypoallergenic, but I just wanted to see what shade I got. But it says it's an instant blending gel, flawless complexion. So I'm just trying to see, guys, like I said, where is the... Oh, I actually got the shade, wow, I actually got the shade dark beige. And it's really, it doesn't look that dark whatsoever. So I've already sprayed my Alegra Beauty Mist on my face. So I always like to do this, and then I'm gonna spray it on my sponge. And this is also infused with vitamins and minerals. And then I'm just gonna go right in with my beauty blender and apply this to my face. So hopefully it's not too dark for me. I don't even have a mirror here, guys, but I'm just wanting to show this so that, oh, wow. It really, you know what, it's not, oh my god, wow. Guys, you know, I feel so bad, but I'm not sure if a lot of things translate on camera, but in real life, oh my god, this, as soon as I looked in the mirror, I really am glowing. I don't think it shows up though on the camera, but wow. And it did just melt right into my skin, so that's a huge plus. It does feel weightless. It doesn't feel as gel-like as other foundations that I've used in the past. It feels like total, like water weight. It feels really good. It's cooling. Oh my god, the radiance that it's giving is insane. Wow. So this is why, because you know, so many people, I guess nowadays, they purchase reviews. So I'm a little bit skeptical about reviews sometimes, but this is truly why people are going crazy for it. When you see it, I'm just going to try it with my brush. When you see it on yourself in real life, you're going to be so blown away. Wow. Oh my god, it did just melt right into my skin. Wow, it really does. It said on the packaging that it would melt right into your skin instantly, and it truly did. Wow. Like I said, I don't think a lot of things are showing up. I hope you guys can see, because sometimes I'm not sure if that kind of radiance will show up on camera for you guys, because sometimes there's like a certain look, it's like glowing, and I'm not sure, for me, I don't know if it shows up for you guys, but actually I've never seen anything like this. I don't even have to blend it anymore hardly. Wow, it really melted right into my skin, and this virtually matches perfectly. I can't believe it, because this is the shade Deep Beige, and you know, normally I don't wear deep beige. If anything, I would wear it on the lighter side, not a deep beige shade. Guys, I can't even believe it, but I don't even feel like I need, a lot of times I feel like I need my beauty blender to really work it into my skin, but I don't even feel like I need this, right? I don't even feel like I need the beauty blender, because if I don't have to use it, I would prefer not to, because I want to keep it. I don't want to wipe away any of the product. So I'm just gonna go in now with my Revlon Colorstay Full Coverage Concealer. I'm absolutely loving this. And I'll just put a little bit. I don't even want to put anything on top of this foundation though. It's so gorgeous. The finish is unbelievably gorgeous. Yeah, this concealer really is really nice. It really blends beautifully into your skin. But see, it's not blending as well as the foundation, so I mean that's why I'm going in with my sponge, because it's not like melting into my skin like the foundation did. I'm just gonna quickly set under my eyes, do some contouring, and I don't know if you guys want to stay here for that, but you know, it's just the basic, you know, drill that I always do. I'm just gonna take some Laura Mercier translucent powder and set under my eyes. I'm gonna do, like I said, I'm gonna do contouring today, so I'm going to just set under my eyes because I'm gonna leave that and do the cream contour today. So guys, isn't this headband adorable? This is from Nora Knits, Frances Ann here on YouTube. She hand makes these and she was so nice enough to send me one, so thank you so much. She's my you know, she's like my #1 YouTube friend. I mean, she's my friend from day one on YouTube. I'm so happy that I met her, and I'm so her line is amazing. So you guys definitely have to check it out. I'll link it below, but she does hand make these, and this is the Makeup by Mario face brush set. Amazing. Wow, this is his contour brush. So I'm just gonna quickly do a contour, and then I'm gonna set that as well, but I'm gonna let this sit and bake a minute. So this is the Fenty this is her matchstick, the matte matchstick. So I love these. I'm not gonna do too much because, you know, I don't want to look cray. I just want to, you know, look cute. I'm not trying to be like full face today, believe it or not. But I'll probably, after I go to IMAX, I'll probably wind up going shopping. I'll come out, I try everything, I'll come out with a full face. So that is the Rihanna. I love this contour. Although who was it the other day I saw? I think it was Amrezi. On her Instagram, she was using the Tom Ford, but I'm not gonna get that. It's probably so expensive. So I'll just push away the translucent powder. And I'm just gonna pop on a little bit of this Colourpop blush. This is amazing. It's this Fresh and Peachy from Colourpop. So I just love that blush, and now I'm just gonna pop on a little bit of some highlighter. This is the Colourpop Sol. So I'm gonna go ahead and give myself another spray of my beauty mist. I'm actually running out. I gotta get some more. That feels so good. And let me see, I really, you know, surprisingly, I just don't have a lip here with me right now. And so I'm just gonna have to make do. Crazy, guys, right? I have all of my stuff packed away still, so I really don't even know where everything is, but this is just, you know, my stuff that I use like on the regular everyday makeup, except for that new foundation. Oh my god, I love it. So I'm just gonna take this lip liner. This is a Makeup Forever, and I'm just gonna put on some of this Charlotte Tilbury. This is Kim K W, I think it says. That's a really pretty lip. And then actually I'll just pop on a little bit of my Patrick Ta lip gloss. I just love this lip gloss. Oh, that's gorgeous. Actually, let me pop on some of this Rimmel mascara. So guys, this is the finished look. I am beyond shocked right now. I, honest to God, have never seen an effect like this from a foundation ever, ever. The glow, how it melted into my skin, how it feels, it just feels amazing. That glow, you just can't. There's no words for how amazing the glow it gives you is in real life. And oh my God, it looks so natural. I feel like it looks just natural. even though I do have on a lot of makeup, but it looks, I feel like it just looks effortless and natural, even though how I applied it, it is a bit, you know, it does have a bit more, you know, punch to it, but you know, you don't have to apply it this way, and it will just look, you'll just look absolutely flawless and naturally glowing, and like you just got facials and all kinds of, you know, I don't know what, steam room, I don't know what, you just are glowing like I've never seen before. I'm gonna try my best to pop back in, but if I can't for some reason, because the other day I saw when I popped in, it looked horrible, the lighting and all that, because it was the nighttime. So I don't, and then the light got on. So anyway, I don't know. So anyway, guys, I hope you're all doing amazing. Please subscribe and be entered into my huge lengthy makeup giveaway and all of my pop-up giveaways that I have. It's so much fun to just subscribe, and also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. It would really help me out so much. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Love you.